So a few words about the HPC Advisory Council. And before that, I'd like to thank all the sponsors that helped to help us to make this event happen. They have tables in it. They have tables around? Outside in the other room, right? So they do have tables in the room behind us where breaks, coffee, lunch gonna serve. So please go through the tables and learn about the technology that they are bringing to the HPC world. Rich from insideHPC is going to videotape all of those sessions and they will be posted. So if you have any issues with posting your presentation, please let us know before that. If not, then we'll go ahead and videotape them. On the HPC Advisory Council, non-profit organization established 10 years ago in 2008 with the mission to drive HPC outreach and education. We're running multiple conferences throughout the year. We had the one in Stanford in February. This one together with CSCS in April. We'll go to Australia, Spain, China, and maybe one more place till the end of the year. We're also managing 3 university-related competitions. The first competition that already started is the HPC and AI competitions, where universities compete on developing software or enhancing software for both HPC and AI. This competition started in APAC last month with 20 university teams from 8 countries in APAC that started the competition. We will start the China RDMA development competitions in May, and then we have the International Supercomputing Conference, the Student Cluster Challenge that will start in June. More information, go to the website, and you can learn about things that we're doing. One more thing that we're doing is that we're hosting small HPC center where we get donation from different companies to put technologies on it so people can actually get free access to it and do testing and benchmarking and development and so forth. This is just an example. There are multiple systems, latest CPUs from Intel or AMD or Power 10 from IBM. We have also ARM system and so forth. And for folks that needs to get some access to do their own testing or development, they're more than welcome to approach us and get free access. We also started a community-driven earlier or end of last year. We're doing a lot of best practices, which is running applications and doing profiling and providing guidelines on optimizations and so forth. And we started to put more and more information on the community and answering questions and so forth. So if you do have questions about things that we're doing or how to optimize, how to build things by yourself, you're more than welcome to utilize the community there. So I think we mentioned that before. We have 3 days pack agenda. We do encourage live discussions, so you can ask questions throughout the presentations. We definitely encourage that. We will try to keep in time, more or less. And then we have the breaks for doing further discussions. Speakers, if Sydney at the end does not have your slides, please make sure she does. So we're going to have it on the laptop. We have a dinner, as Susan said, tomorrow. We have a raffle on Wednesday. That's right. Wednesday afternoon we have a raffle. And please visit our sponsors' tables. So with that, I want to welcome you again for this 3 days of a conference. It's a great partnership with CSCS that enable us to do this for 9 years now, something like that. And now together with HPC XSL, I think that's going to bring more interesting topics.